Now let's talk about how you can remove the green dot on the iPhone camera. Now let's take a look at what it actually means. So whenever you use the iPhone's built-in camera app, but also any other app which accesses the camera, you're going to notice that part of the dynamic island at the top is a little green dot or little green indicator. And the short answer is that it is supposed to be there. And the reason is to let you know and to inform you that some app is using your camera, right? So it is a privacy feature. So you probably know that if you open up the camera app, the camera is being used, right? But it might also be accessed whenever you are browsing the web and you give it access and permission. And, the dot is there to keep reminding you that the phone has access to the camera. Now, if you need more information about it, you can always swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. And there, you should be able to see a little privacy situation right there, which means that you can tap on it and expand and check out the recently used apps which had access to your camera. So obviously, if you have used Instagram or some social media, then it's going to be listed right here. And if you think about it, it is very useful because it also shows you some other things in here. It's like a full privacy checkup because you can check out which apps have had access to your microphone, as well as the camera, of course, but also your location. And this makes it very useful. So I would just go there every time to see what's up and how I'm doing, right? So yeah, that's how it works. So the short answer is that you shouldn't really worry about it and you cannot really remove it, but it's a great feature. It is there to serve you. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more and I'll catch you later.